The process of getting your first credit card can be confusing. You're trying to build credit, but you also need credit to get approved. So, what exactly is the best Rogers Bank credit card for beginners? Based on my own experience, when you're just starting out, the Rogers Red MasterCard is generally the best entry point, specifically because of its accessible requirements compared to its World Elite counterpart. Let's break down why this is the case, and what you need to know about Rogers Bank cards as a beginner. The beginner choice, Rogers Red MasterCard. The primary reason I recommend the Rogers Red MasterCard is that it does not have the high minimum personal or household annual income requirement that the World Elite version does. If you are a student, new to Canada, or simply starting your credit journey, this card is designed to be more accessible for building that initial credit history. Key features for a beginner. No annual fee. This is critical for a starter card. You shouldn't be paying a fee just to build your credit. Cashback rewards. You earn unlimited cash back, which is straightforward and easy to understand compared to complex point systems. You get 2% cash back on all eligible purchases if you have one qualifying Rogers, Fido, or Shaw service. Otherwise, it's 1% cash back on eligible purchases. It also offers 2% cash back on US dollar purchases for non-Rogers customers, which is a decent rate if you shop online across the border. Rogers customer benefits. If you are a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, the card becomes significantly better. You get a 1.5x redemption bonus when you use your cash back towards an eligible Rogers purchase, essentially boosting your rewards on those payments. The upgrade path, Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. Now, I also need to mention the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. While it's the premium version, and it has some fantastic features, I would not recommend it for a true beginner. Why it's not a starter card? Income requirement. The World Elite version has a minimum annual income requirement, currently $$80,000 personal or $$150,000 household. As a beginner, you likely won't meet this. Benefits. This card is better for an established borrower. It offers higher rewards, especially a flat 3% cash back on US dollar purchases, and includes various insurance benefits like emergency medical and trip interruption. My straight-to-the-point advice. If you are new to credit and want a Rogers Bank card, apply for the Rogers Red MasterCard. It's the most beginner-friendly card Rogers Bank offers. It has no annual fee and a simple, yet rewarding, cashback structure. Focus on building credit. For the first year, your goal should be to simply use the card responsibly, keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%, and pay the full statement balance on time, every single month. Don't worry about maximizing every single reward. Upgrade later, once you have 6 to 12 months of excellent credit history and, if applicable, meet the income requirements. Then you can consider calling Rogers Bank to see if you qualify to upgrade to the World Elite version. This is a common strategy in the credit card world. Start with the Donkey 1, as some call it, and fight for the World Elite upgrade once you've proven your creditworthiness. Start simple. Start with the Rogers Red MasterCard. Build that history, and the better rewards will follow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.